How to transfer your WhatsApp data from one phone to another. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily transfer your WhatsApp data from one phone to another. So let's say if you're trying to switch phones or making an upgrade. So if you're currently using an Android device and you want to move all of your WhatsApp data to an iPhone, then what you want to do is first open up your WhatsApp's chat, and from here you're going to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then head over to your settings. Now once your settings is open, you're going to head over to your chat section, and at the bottom of your screen you will see an option to chat backup. You can even transfer your chat. So if you select this, it will transfer your chat history to another phone. But what you ideally want to do is go ahead and tap on chat backups and make sure that your Google account is connected, because WhatsApp uses your Google Drive in order to back up all of your data. So just tap on backup if you haven't backed up your data, and it will take a while, and once it is done, all of your data will be backed up on this Google account right here. And once your backup is complete, all you have to do is install WhatsApp on your other device and enter the same phone number and login code. And after that, it will ask you if you want to back up your chats or not, because it will find that there are backed up chats on your Google Drive, and then it will automatically back up. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you on the next one.